आपको उसके साथ क्या चाहिए?
What do you need with him? What do you need with him?
मैं उसके साथ बात करना चाहता हूँ।
I want to speak with him. I want to speak with him.
क्या आपको पता है वो कहाँ है?
Do you know where he is? Do you know where he is?
वो अभी तक कार्यालय से नहीं आया है।
He has not come from the office yet. He has not come from the office yet.
यहाँ से अस्पताल कितनी दूर है?
How far is the hospital from here? How far is the hospital from here?
अस्पताल यहाँ से 20 किलोमीटर दूर है।
The hospital is 20 kilometers away from here. The hospital is 20 kilometers away from here.
क्या आपने उससे बात की थी?
Did you talk to him? Did you talk to him?
मैंने उसे मनाने की बहुत कोशिश की।
I tried a lot to convince him. I tried a lot to convince him.
क्या आपको आज इसकी आवश्यकता है?
Do you need it today? Do you need it today?
नहीं, लेकिन जितनी जल्दी हो सके।
No, but as soon as possible. No, but as soon as possible.
मुझे अब बहुत भूख लगी है।
I am very hungry now. I am very hungry now.
तो चलिए अब खाने चलते हैं।
So, let's go to eat now. So, let's go to eat now.
तुमने मेरे साथ ऐसा कैसे किया?
How did you do that to me? How did you do that to me?
मुझ पर विश्वास करो, मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया।
Believe me, I didn't do that. Believe me, I didn't do that.
क्या आप मुझे सुन रहे हैं?
Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me?
हाँ, कहते रहो।
Yes, keep saying. Yes, keep saying.
मैं कल सुबह जा रहा हूँ।
I am leaving tomorrow morning. I am leaving tomorrow morning.
हमारे संपर्क में रहें।
Keep in touch with us. Keep in touch with us.
मुझे लगता है कि आपके बिना यह संभव नहीं है।
I think it's not possible without you. I think it's not possible without you.
हर चीज के लिए मुझ पर निर्भर न रहें।
Don't depend on me for everything. Don't depend on me for everything.
कल कब जा रहे हो?
When are you leaving tomorrow? When are you leaving tomorrow?
यह पूरी तरह आप पर निर्भर है।
It's totally up to you. It's totally up to you.
वो अब जीवित नहीं है।
He is no longer alive. He is no longer alive.
मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है।
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
मैं उसके लिए पागल हूँ।
I am crazy about her. I am crazy about her.
तुम उससे बहुत प्यार करते हो।
You love her too much. You love her too much.
तुम्हारी किस बारे में बोलने की इच्छा थी?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
मैं उनसे सीधे बात करना चाहता हूँ।
I want to talk to him directly. I want to talk to him directly.
क्या वो रसायन शास्त्र पढ़ाता है?
Does he teach chemistry? Does he teach chemistry?
वो रसायन शास्त्र नहीं पढ़ाता है।
He doesn't teach chemistry. Does he teach chemistry?
आपके परिवार में सब कैसे हैं?
How is everyone in your family? How is everyone in your family?
ईश्वर की कृपा से सभी अच्छे हैं।
By the grace of God, everyone is good. By the grace of God, everyone is good.
आपने इसे सही नहीं किया।
You didn't do it right. You didn't do it right.
मैं आपके विचार से
I agree with your opinion. I agree with your opinion.